What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Rev Room. Today, we got Churro Kit Kats. Alright, dumping this into the food review playlist section. We have another Kit Kat. Guys, the Kit Kat flavors have been outrageous. Same with the Oreos. If you guys have missed any of those videos, go check it out. You definitely don't want to miss them. So here is the Kit Kat. We got little chunks of what I can only assume to be cinnamon because this is a churro. I was lucky enough to actually have a real hot churro yesterday, so the flavors are jam-packed in my mind. Alright, it was a little hard for me at first, but I got churro. The cinnamon is right out there in your face. You can't mistake that for anything. That little questionable thing was the inside cream helped make it like the churro, the inside of the churro, the soft part. Altogether, it's a pretty decent churro. Obviously, it's not going to be hot like a real churro. It's more of a candy-ized flavor of churro. But they're really good. Is it the best Kit Kat flavor I've ever had? No. But they're very good. They're definitely very good. Dropping it. So yeah, if you guys are into churro flavor, give these a shot. Not a super run out and go out and get them right now. They're very good, but I could pass on them. Hit or miss. It is what it is. But you guys like the churro? I'll show you guys the nutritional facts. You got 220 calories per serving. That's good. I thought it was per stick at first, but geez. So yeah, you guys see these? Give them a shot. They're good. They're not gonna blow your mind, but cinnamon flavor is there. The chocolate's really good. The inside cream gets a job done for the churro flavor. So that's all we got for you guys today. If you guys are into food related content, check out the food reviews playlist section. If you like this video, hit the like button and go hit the subscribe button too while you're at it. Take care.